Okay, you guys, so we're gonna do an unboxing of Amazon, and we're also gonna make something. So I gave you the link when they had the Amazon Prime, um, and I showed you this spoon set. So they had a blue one here, but I gifted it to one of my sisters. But I had to show you how adorable this is. So we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna unbox this. So I'm right away. I am loving the spoons. You get a blue one as well. I'm gonna put all the prices down below as well as the links. How cool is that? Okay, so this is the first thing I ordered, and I just had to show you. You guys, look at this. So I have been into making tea and iced coffees lately because that is my thing. It is so hot right now, and I love a great iced coffee. So I'm gonna show you really quick, and we're gonna make an iced coffee. How cool is that? Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. So let me go ahead and rinse that really fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the iced coffee together so you guys can actually see how you make an iced coffee. If you don't know how you make an iced coffee, I'm gonna show you really quick. It's super easy. This is the coffee that I'll be using. You can find this at Walmart. You can use any kind you want. This is the one I will be using. So I want to make sure I get the right amount. Usually I grab one of my other spoons. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to make sure I get the right amount. Now, how strong do you want it? Depends on you. And that's how strong I want it. Okay? The next step, you have your coffee. You are going to add some water. So you can add as much as water as you want. I'm going to go ahead and add my water. And that is how it's going to be. Okay. I have this in my Amazon front store as well. So I am going to mix it. Look how cool this is. Okay, how thick do you want it? Look how cool that is. Do you want it any more thicker? And you mix it more. Mix it as much as you want to get it as thick as you like. Okay, look how cool that is. Go ahead and rinse this off. I promise you guys I would have a iced coffee tutorial, and here it is. Okay, now I am gonna add 2 Splendas. So you can add the sugar you want. And the only reason I'm gonna add 1 Splenda, I think. I don't want a lot of sugar because I am gonna add this sugar-free vanilla that I picked up from Walmart as well. And with this, you wanna be not too generous because you don't want a lot. Just want a little bit of flavor, okay? And 1 Splenda. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix it up again. I'm gonna make sure that it's all mixed. Okay, how good is that? Now you can mix it all together if you want, but I wanted to make sure I show you step by step. Okay, now comes the fun part. I have my ice tray here, which I also linked on my Amazon front store. God, I love these little cubes. They're like little long sticks. The next step we're gonna add is our creamer. And I am also going with the vanilla creamer. That's why I didn't want to add a lot. You know? Okay, so now the next step is to add your creamer, or you can add your ice and then your creamer. So it's typically up to you, however you want it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my creamer. And look at how gorgeous this is. How gorgeous is that? This is gonna be my iced coffee. It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon on the top. just to top it off. Wait, I gotta stop recording. There's somebody in the door, so give me a minute. Okay, and look how delicious that iced coffee is. Okay, so now you can actually mix the whole thing if you want it to look dark all the way. So this, you can just put it in here. You see how that's gonna come up? You see that coming up, you guys? And that's it. And that, my friend, is delicious iced coffee. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial in case you guys were wondering. The next step would be to add your ice. Look how cool these are. And then you just pick them up. Uh-oh, that one broke. And that's okay. Because you know what? I'm not grabbing them right. So there you go. You add as much as you want on your ice. It's already going to be cold because the creamer's cold and so is the water I use. You grab your lid. You close it up. You add your straw. And what do you guys think, you guys? I bet you it's going to be delicious. I know it's going to be delicious, but what do you guys think? So I'll leave all the links down below, so you guys can go ahead and pick up the ice, sorry. So you guys can go ahead and grab your own cup. Oh, you guys, I have a mess everywhere. Okay, go ahead and grab your own cup, but let me know. I'll be posting that one on Instagram, but that's exactly how I make my iced coffee. You guys, I have this long spoon. I use this when I use regular coffee. Let's say you get a coffee at McDonald's and it just doesn't taste good and you need to add sugar. You take this one out. You add the sugar and you mix it and you're set. Now I'm going to go ahead and have my iced coffee. You guys, it's hot in Chicago and I need it. But what do you guys think of the cup? Doesn't that look delicious, you guys? Well, I'm going to leave it here so you guys can see it. But I'll link all my links down below. And let me know what you think about this cup. And until next time, bye, you guys.